In section 4, we'll be continuing to study the graphs of functions. However, we won't be taking the same approach that we have in the previous sections. In previous sections, we would draw a t-chart and use that as a means of getting a sample of ordered pair, and then the ordered pair could be plotted. There could be a pattern within the graph, and that would allow us to be able to connect the dots if necessary. In this section, we're going to be looking at what's called transformations of functions. And we're going to be making the transformations, we're going to split it into 3 categories. Category number 1 is shifts. Shifts are also known as translations. And there's going to be 2 types of shifts that we're going to be dealing with in this course. There is the vertical shift, and there is a horizontal shift. The second type of transformation that we'll discuss is known as a reflection. You can think of this like looking in a mirror. Light reflects off of the mirror surface, allows you to be able to see what we call the mirror image of whatever is standing in front. So we'll be doing reflections, and there's a variety of reflections in geometry, but we'll be focusing on 2 specific ones for our purposes here today, and that's going to be across the x-axis, and then we will also do this across the y-axis. And then the last type of transformation that we're going to discuss is stretching and shrinking. Stretching and shrinking is sometimes called a dilation. And we're going to be looking at 2 types of stretching or shrinking. Stretching or shrinking can occur in the horizontal direction, or it can occur in the vertical direction. So we'll be discussing both of those, as well as the reflections and the shifts in section 4.